this blanket.
She wants to hold it on her blanket? Yeah, tell her what color it is. Tell her what color it is. And what goes in there. Harper, that's a trash can. A green trash can.
Empty.
It's empty, but what do you put in there?
Put garbage in there.
Yep.
Oh! It's full of garbage. It's full of.
It is?
It's full of garbage.
Wow. Show her how it opens and shuts. Open. Ooh. Did you enjoy that, Harper G? We need some pizza. Ethan. Oh. Hi. Bless you.